This one hasn't run for 3 years. We got some growth. Fucking hood. I'm surprised we haven't found anything living yet. No wire chewage. Ew. This is another creepy car. I don't even want to sit in there. Ew, disgusting. Okay, now I got to see if I got keys for this thing. Okay, I hope all the spiders are dead. Yuck. Yuck. This car is a piece of shit. Ugh. Back to the key thing. No go. Ooh. Hey! Second try! Second try! I could have tried 50 keys. There, oh, gas pedal's stuck down. I think I should free that up. Oh! Accelerator is stuck. Oh, got it. Starting to move. Okay, got a battery now. Let's see how well America's Finest is going to start. 3 years, or yeah, 3 years, that's right. I pre-gassed this one. Is anybody a betting man? Anybody get a bet, first try or not? Throttle's still a bit sticky. Here we go. Come on. I was betting on this one. It could have chewed wires. Aw. Maybe broken fuel lines. Throttle stuck. I'm gonna dump some gas in the carb. Don't tell me this one's got no spark too. There's even gas dumped in it. This ain't a good day. Definitely not. I give up. Fuck! What a waste of time.